Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the April TOYL box. Guys, and welcome. I hope you're all having a great day today. So yeah, as mentioned, today's video, we are going to be unboxing the April TOYL box. TOYL just stands for Time of Your Life. This is one of the most expensive boxes that I purchased myself with my own money. This is £40 per month, but the brands that you get in this box are amazing. The price of the box far exceeds what you pay, which is cool. I will link this down below in the information box for you. If there's any links or anything like that that can get you any money off, I'll check the website and I'll pop that down below with the link for you as well. But yes, let's oh, nearly dropped it. Let's open this up to have a sneak peek. So this is for the more mature skin type, 40 upwards, 35 upwards, 40 upwards, something like that. But I always say, get it while you're younger. Why not? Prep your skin while you can. These boxes are so hard to get into. Ugh. And I suppose that's a good thing. Oh, I'm stuck. Right, so this is inside the box. This is the edit card with all the information on the products in here. So it just says on here, this box has a value of £138.99. Not bad for your £40 outlay for the subscription for the box. And this edit is called Colour Correct Box. Always nicely, neatly packaged. I'm just going to move everything up so we can actually have a sneak peek. There we go. There is a bit of a sneak peek. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. The first item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Emma Hardy, and this is the Midas Touch Revitalising Eye Serum. This has a value of £55. Let's have a look. A lightweight eye serum that lifts and tightens, fades dark circles and reduces puffiness. This formulation strengthens and lifts the eye area, blurs fine lines and fades dark circles. Rich in omegas 3, 6 and 9, as well as raspberry seed oil. This serum maintains skin elasticity whilst aloe vera cools and soothes tired eyes. That sounds amazing. If it actually works, cool. I can have quite dark under eyes with puffiness and the wrinkles, so I've got it all going on for me. It's great. So if this can help, that would be cool. This is all nicely sealed. I'm going to leave this sealed because when I use this, I want it to be nice and fresh. Awesome brand. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Temple Spa, and it's Let's Concentrate. This is a vitamin C serum plus. Okay. Let's Concentrate is a powerful serum juice concentrate that melts deep into your skin to reveal a clear, smooth, toned, glowing complexion. The clever formula delivers a daily dose of vitamin C plus potent alpha-arbutin to work together to brighten and boost the skin. Helps to diminish the appearance of scarring, open pores and hyperpigmentation. In addition, blemish fighting antioxidants of zinc and magnesium combine with skin loving sodium hydrate and orange oil to reveal soft, bare-faced confidence for you and your beautifully radiant, revived and rejuvenated skin. Wow, that's a description and a half, isn't it? That sounds absolutely amazing. This has a value of £50, by the way, if I haven't said that already. I can't remember if I did, but it's £50. Yeah, another great brand. I've tried a few bits from this brand and I've really quite enjoyed it. Oh, so that looks cool. It's a glass bottle. I don't know why I did that. You can't tell it's glass just by there you go, you can hear that. And yeah, oh, look at the little door. It's like it's a little round bit. That's really nice. Again, I'm leaving this sealed because this is quite expensive and I don't want it to go off quicker. Then I can start using it, but I can't wait to start using that. Yeah, sounds good to me, guys. Third item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Pixi by Petra, and it's a correction concentrate. It has a value of £14. Highly pigmented, this correcting concealer instantly erases darkness, softens and blurs lines. Skin immediately looks fresh, rested, bright and youthful. This ultimate good night sleep in a jar camouflage cream is correction perfection in a pot. Ooh, nice. Yeah, love e.l.f. products. They are more on the affordable side, which we all like. Let's just have a little peek at this. Oh my god, it's tiny. So this is what it looks like. It's in a little glass jar. I will open this because it's more on the affordable side. It's very, very peachy, which I suppose will counteract the darkness. But do they do this in different shades, or? It is peachy because it's peach. Correcting concentrate brightening peach for medium skin tones. So if you're light skin toned or dark skin toned, you're kind of buggered. I think I can get away with that. I don't know. I think I will be able to get away with that. I've got a bit of bronzer and that on at the minute because, like, yeah, I am white as a ghost. But I mean, it feels alright. I suppose there's no way of really telling until I get it on my face and try it out. But yeah, definitely we'll have to try that out properly. Fourth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand My Sweet Smile, and it's a teeth whitening pen. It has a value of £19.99, so you might as well say 20 quid. Our whitening pen uses a precision brush that's perfect size for providing targeted and direct whitening to crooked, crowded teeth. Just twist the base of the pen to dispense the gel, apply it directly to your teeth to remove build-up stains and yellowing in minutes. And then it just says twist the base of the pen 20 times until there's enough gel to significantly dispense onto the brush. Using the brush, paint a thin layer of the gel. Yeah. Okay, so you just leave it on for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes rinse with water. Use 3 times a week to remove daily stains. Definitely gonna have to try that. My teeth are staining at the minute, so perfect time to try this out. Again, that is all sealed up. It's gonna stay that way. Right guys, so this is the Colour Correct Edit, the April TOYL box. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a really good box. You've got a good mix of things in there. So normally when you think of colour correction, yeah, you kind of automatically just go to makeup, don't you, and think just makeup. But no, it's got some skincare in there, some makeup in there, and something for your teeth as well, because obviously, yeah, they need a bit of colour correction too if you've got stainage and stuff going on. So the brands in here are cool. You've got 2 fabulous brands in here. You've got Emma Hardy and Temple Spa, an eye serum and a skin glowing serum that sound amazing. If it does what it says on the tin, both of them, awesome. You have something more affordable, well, 2 things more affordable. You've got the teeth whitening pen by My Sweet Smile, and then the Pixi correction concentrate. Yeah, I think they've done really well. Everything goes together quite nicely. A nice rounded box. But what are your thoughts? Comment down below. Again, if you're interested in this box, I'll link it down below. If I can find any codes or anything that can get your money off, they'll be down below as well. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.